Hi everyone, for this video we're going to discuss more about the FOIL method in multiplying polynomials. The FOIL method is used for binomial multiplied by another binomial. So when we say binomial, it means we have two terms. Okay, so in this example we have x plus 4 and x plus 3. So in our previous video, we have an introduction about FOIL, wherein F stands for first or the first terms of each binomial. Okay, and O stands for outside or outer terms. Okay, and then I is for inner or inside terms of the binomials, and L stands for the last terms of the binomial. So let's start with the F. Okay, so the first terms of the binomial is this x multiply to this x. So that's the first term of each binomial. So x times x is x squared. Okay, so it means we follow the law of exponent or product law. So x to the first power times x to the first power. We add exponents, 1 plus 1, so we have x squared. Now let's do the outer terms. When we say outer terms, that means this x, which is the outside terms, okay, or the extreme terms of the binomial. So that's x and 3. Okay, so outer terms will be x times 3. So that's 3x. Okay, and for the inner terms, we have the terms that are inside. So that is 4 and x. This 4 and this x. Okay, so that's 4 times x is equal to 4x. And L for the last part are the last terms. So the last terms of the binomial is the 4 for x plus 4 and the 3 for the x plus 3. So last term is x times, it's 4 times 3. So that's 12. And then we combine everything. Okay, so we have x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. And then as you notice, 3x and 4x are similar terms, so we can combine that to 3x plus 4x is 7x. Okay, let's do that again. So we have x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. And then combine this similar terms to 7x. 3x plus 4x is 7x. So the final answer is x squared plus 7x plus 12. Now let's do the second example, x plus 5 times x minus 3. So first term will be the x and the other x. Okay, so x times x is equal to x squared. Okay, then the outer terms, we use red, x and negative 3. So x times negative 3. is negative 3x. And then for inner terms, we have 5 and x. So 5 times x is equal to 5x. And our last terms would be 5 and negative 3. So 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. And then we can combine this similar terms. Okay, so let's write down first. So we have x squared plus negative 3x plus 5x plus negative 15. Okay, so to combine this similar terms, we have x squared negative 3x plus 5x is positive 2x, so plus 2x, and plus negative 15 is negative 15. So this is the final answer. Let's have another example. Let's have 3x minus 1 times 2x plus 2. So first term would be 3x times 2x would be 6x squared. So 3x times 2x. So 6, 3 times 2 is 6. And for the variable x, we add the exponent by following laws of exponents. So 6x squared. And then 3x times 2 would be 6x. So plus 6x. And then this term, negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. So minus 2x. And then negative 1 times 2, the last terms, is negative 2. So minus 2. And then we can combine this similar terms. So our final answer is 6x squared. 6x minus 2x is positive 4x minus 2. Okay, let's have one more. Now, what if we have a square of a binomial? Like this example, we have 3x minus 5 raised to the second power. So this means that the quantity 3x minus 5 is multiplied by itself. Okay, so this is a binomial times binomial, so we can use the F.O.I.L method. So we'll start with the first terms, 3x times 3x. So that would be 3x times 3x is 9x squared. Okay. And then 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. Okay. And then inner terms, that's negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. And the last terms is negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. So plus 25. And then combine the similar terms. So we have 9x squared minus negative 15x minus 15x is negative 30x plus 25. So this is the answer.